Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I am thrilled to be able to bring you from our friends at Crafter's Companion the Rose Gold Collection. Believe it or not, this isn't all of the collection. On the 26th, my friend Teresa is going to do a webisode, a Sunday Paper Wishes webisode with lots more. But we're going to focus on what's here today, and let me go through all of this. It's just amazing. So we've got this very special luxury mixed cardstock. It's 8.5 by 11. As you can see, it's got mirror finish, and it's got some two really sparkly papers in there, and then this gorgeous glitter paper. And this is also 9 by 12 flower forming foam. We're going to do something really fun with that. Got this wonderful little 6 by 6 paper pad. We've also got a diamond lattice embossing folder. Look like this. It makes great little borders, you guys. And then we've also got rose quilling flower dies. That's what these are right here. And then we've got, this one is the Sparkle and Shine stamp and die set. So it comes with these, whoops, it's stuck. These great little dies and coordinating stamp set. This one is interchangeable sentiment stamp set. Go up here, we've got the birthday wishes stamps and dies. And we've got this wonderful rose gold sequin, which makes great filler for a shaker card, and my friend Debbie made a really cute one I'll show you. And then we've got this rose gold glitter glue. And also in this little pack, you've got two things. You've got the embossing powder and then fine glitter. The embossing powder is in a really pretty pink, and then the fine glitters in the rose gold. So much to show you. Where shall I start? Let's move all of this aside. Oh. Okay, and I wanted to give you a kind of a close-up view of the papers that come in that cardstock. They're just gorgeous, you guys. And then also the flower forming foam. I cut these way down. Show you a little better, but it's got those 3 shades of like blush and buff and pink. Really, really beautiful. And here's that card I was telling you about, or a card my friend Debbie made. She used the birthday stamp and die. So this is the birthday wishes, and you can see here she used the die right here for one of those beautiful specialty papers in the cardstock, and then she stamped that with that beautiful pink embossing powder. Let me get this out of here so I can show you. Look at those beautiful colors there. She embossed that after she stamped that. And then she stamped her little roses on that beautiful glittery paper, and she even stamped the leaves on that mirror finish paper. The background paper came from the 6 by 6 pad, and we've used some of them out of here, but you can still see what's going on. There's just this gorgeous embossed and also glitter background on these. They're amazing. If you love rose gold, don't wait on this. I have a feeling we're going to sell out of this collection. Okay, so there's a beautiful card that Debbie made. I also wanted to show you this adorable shaker card that she did. Isn't that really cute? So right here she used this one right here, the Sparkle and Shine set. And let me show you how this works. So you can take this die and make a goblet like this, and then if you put this inner piece inside of that like this, once you've cut that one, then cut this one out, then you get that open space right there. All right, and then what Debbie did is she backed that piece with some acetate. And you can get this acetate by the sheet at paperwishes.com. Cut this out quickly. And then she put a couple layers of foam tape under that. And almost done. All right, she's got a little window in there. And then if you can see right here, yep, right there, she put 2 layers of foam tape. And that's because we want to leave plenty of room for the shakiness. So here's this giant roll of foam tape that you can buy at Paper Wishes. It's amazing. Debbie and I swear by this. It's 50 yards or 150 feet, and it's under 20 bucks. So you really can't go wrong with that. what we like to do is take off little pieces like this, and then you can just cut this into the finer widths that you need. So you can actually cut this into thirds. And that's what Debbie did with this. So here's 1/3 of it. Put this on here like this. Trim that. And then you want to make sure that what you're doing is creating a dam for all those little shaker pieces so they don't slide out. And we like these really long rolls because you can cut them to whatever length that you need. See, I'm just kind of going around and around. Oh, you can't see it all. Hey, Steve, can we back up a little bit? And there we go. And then we're just going to take another little length here, and I'm just going to piece that together. That. Now we're going to take out all those little backing pieces. And then we're going to do this again. And I do another layer right on top of that first one. Normally I would take a little bit more time to do this. We're going to just do a speedy version of this one. Okay, there we go. Okay. And then we're going to put that last little piece right there. So now we've got our 2 layers. So we have plenty of room. Garbage there. All right, so now what's nice about this little pouch is it's got that little zip closure in it. So you can just take what you need and close up the rest. Oh, I left a piece on there. All right, and I would just take a pinch and put those in there. Okay. Ooh, they're flying everywhere. Right, don't forget to close that, Lene, otherwise they're going to go everywhere. All right, then she just took a little backing piece here of some of that glimmer paper from the cardstock pack, cut it to fit the back of this, okay? She also stamped a little sparkle greeting from the stamp set on there. Okay, and what we're going to do is put this right over that. We're going to seal that in. That. And then I can just take it here and I can trim it however I need to because I got a little crazy with the foam. There we go. Adorable little shaker. And just put that anywhere. And then the stamp right here has got this little straw and this adorable little citrus wedge. So really fun, really cute. All right, and this last card. Oh my goodness, just got stuff everywhere, you guys. All right, so for this last card, Debbie used several things. She used this wonderful embossing folder right here on that sort of bronzy paper that's in the paper pack. And then she also used this rose quilling flower. Let's see, so I've already cut this from some of the flower forming foam. And this stuff can be heat activated, okay? So you can use your clothing iron turned over and you just lay that piece right on that hot iron and it'll kind of shrink up and it looks like this piece right here. You'll see everything kind of shrinks and cups up and warms itself. But I forgot to bring my clothing iron from home, of course. So we're going to do the same thing. You can also use it with a heat gun. So got my little heat gun here. All right. And it's going to start to kind of turn and cup like that. All right, I'm not going to take the time to do the whole thing, but you get the idea. All right, so it's at this point when it's warm that you can actually stretch them and do kind of fun little things to form them. Okay, so I've already done that on this piece. And then those 2 pieces are there, this piece right here and this piece. So Debbie cut this one out of that beautiful bronze paper from the cardstock and she started rolling it. You can see it right here. She just started rolling that up. And then just take a glue gun, a little dot of glue right there, and that's going to secure that. All right, now you're going to take your flowers, and they've got a little tiny end and then a larger end for the flowers. And you can roll this one of two ways. You can roll this small end first. You can roll it like this, and those little flower cups will spread out, or you can roll it this way and it'll look more like a flower bud because they're going to close in all around that centerpiece. See what I'm saying? Like that. But we're going to do it the other way. We're going to make it flare out a little bit. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the end where the small flowers are. We're just going to start wrapping that right around that center stamen piece. And you could put glue all along this if you'd like. I just find that it just gets sticky and kind of a mess when I do that. So I just hold it closely with my fingers while I'm rolling. And then when we're all done, we're going to put just a lump of glue on the bottom of it, the hot glue, and that keeps everything in place. See, that's looking. And then we're going to take big piece of glue, and you know I don't have a piece of paper handy, so we're just going to put this right on the edge of our goblet. We're going to just make a decorative flower on our goblet because that's just handy. And then once that's in place, then we're just going to kind of splay those little center pieces. And as you can see, Debbie did a really cute collection right here, and then she cut the leaves from that gorgeous glitter paper, that gorgeous rose gold. She even put a little sequin right in the center there to give it extra special glamour. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on this. Don't forget that on Sunday, the 26th, our friend Teresa made more cards with the even expanded collection, and Paulette is going to be showing that to you on that Wednesday on the 26th. But as of today, we've got a money saver on this collection that I've shown you. If you're watching us on our vlog page, just go ahead and look to the right side of the vlog page and you'll see the link for the money saver. And if you're watching us on YouTube, look below in the description for the links to the money saver for this collection. And you can also find a link to paperwishes.com where you can find lots more fun things to play with and lots more videos. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.